Welcome back, everybody. Your good friend Walter here, out in the barn workshop, making some sawdust today. Can you guess what that is? I made the first 2 cuts and haven't opened it up yet. Thought we'd do that together. I wonder what it could be. Let's find out. I'm going to do this one-handed, so it's going to be a little tricky. Let's find out what's in there. Ah, here we go. That's box elder maple. Oh my goodness. In all my years, it's the first time I have actually had a piece that I cut into. So, as you can see by the color difference between the heartwood, the sapwood, and then the flame, there is some, I would guess, bacterial or enzymatic or some sort of activity that occurs which gives it the flame figure. So box elder maple is also known as Manitoba maple or as ash leafed maple, because it has a leaf that sort of looks like ash and maple, and its hardness is about the same as soft maple, a little bit harder than tulip poplar. Now, there is some speculation that the coloring happens as a defense mechanism by the tree against some sort of injury or attack. So I don't know if there's a bug or some sort of bacteria that gets into the bark, and then just like with ambrosia maple, it forms in one spot and then migrates. So you can see there's what looks like bug marks there. You can see it right up here too. So the coloring could be part of a defense mechanism against bugs. So there you have it, everyone. Another first for Dust Splinters. Never had box elder maple in the workshop. I don't think it'll be big enough to get bowls out of, especially with all the fine cracks. There's fine checks throughout it. Do my best. I'll start processing it up, get it all cut up, and get rid of the bland, get rid of some of, not all, but I'll probably get rid of some of the, like here, if I want to try to make a bowl out of this piece, you know, I might get a, I don't know, let's see, a 9-10 inch bowl out of that. If I go live edge, it'll be more, it'll be like 12 inches. If I go live edge, in other words, the outside at the top. But that's not something I normally do. So what I'll probably do is come from the point back until I get about 6 inches of face, and then that'll be a blank, and I'll decide what to do with it. I may end seal it, even though they have cracked already. It would help prevent any further cracking. I might not, might just let it go. So we'll see. Well, that's about all for today, but box elder maple, flaming maple. Head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.